Igayini ithi ingane ngeke isakhonsipha. Uthi uma ngivula icase la kwathiwa ngihambe ngokwenza i-88 ngifonela umseshi wakho lo mfana lo mfishane udlala. Umaphumulo. Manje kumaphumulo lapho kuma-detectives ufika uMfulu lo othi wenza kahle wayiletha. Ngiyakufuna nothi asingithandile ngiboshiwe. Uyezwa. Ngithi mina ngahlala ngalinda khona. Ngithe uma ngiqeda bese bephumile bona u3 wabo. Baphuma bangishiye ofisini. Base bekuzofika kumina ngo9 ekuseni. Ngasuka ngatshela uJasithi ahambe siye khona. Uma ngifika lapha yama-detective kwathusela. Ukheneli wakho kade mfonela nangiwaranti we-POP. Uthi angiyime la. Ngithi appointment i-private hospital you half past 3, you half past 11 at the time. Ngiyamtshengisa nathi kwayena lo IO bekade khona. Ikhamsini ihlala ihleli lapha. Iyaqhubeka iyagula still. Iyayidla into ekuyiyona. Ungitshela ukuthi angikhambise la. Ngibele into ebheke angithathe ngina 4 hours kuphile la. Uyangibona ukuthi ngihamba ngenduku. Uyangibona ukuthi ngihamba ngenduku. Uzongitshela ukuthi angikwazi ukungena ngibizwe yini. Imile ngitshela ukuthi asithi ukuthi kuthiwa ngibotshiwe naye la. Ningibizeleni. Ngiyamtshela ngathi ngifuna ukuhamba ngesibhedlela ingane yami nenkinga. Wangitshela ukuthi angimela nanga bebekhona. Angisazi isingisi waZulu nesibongo ngizalele kaZulu angikuzwa. Ngiyakungitshela ukuthi u6 uthi uqashwa endaweni wrong uzofuna lapho ungasazi izulu angikuzwa. Thola whoever ozokudolikela ngikuzwa umchief wanda ngikuzwa.
Can you read?
I can't read. That's the problem. Umsebenzi wakho wenze
I wanted to make you read.
lalela, you are not here for the meeting. Ngithi kuthiwe lento efanele uyenze. Ayithi thunyelwe yona ukuthi uzo-assessa lona. Ngithi ngawenze lo.
I will tell you this. Nobody called Jacinta.
Ngithi mina it's because angizwa. Uyezwa? Ngithi mina umseshi waleli cala ufike kimi ngihleli phansi no IO we-case yami against your Kennedy. Uyezwa? Uthi wenze kahle wazi. Phela mina umkhulu lami bekesibhedlela nengane yami ilimele. Gogo!
Did they phone you?
They reported to me yesterday. I was coming for another case, then they called me. I told Jacinta that they called us. They said they were coming to sign their own case. And
The lawyer was
but it's Jacinta's lawyer. I've got another appointment at the doctor.
He was here.
Hello! I've got another appointment bafowethu. Ayithi ngithangize sengiyahamba. Ngane yami isesibhedlela please. Ngicela sinakade.
Who phoned you from?
Ubani detective mkhulu nombani lo? What's his name? Sergeant or warrant or what? Warrant 2. I don't know the number. I was called by IO for my child's case against the police. What transpired there. Then when I got to the detective's office, oh no, Maya, not my she's the one who opened the case again and again.
I don't know. Yes, someone, so she's, what's her name?
Can I speak?
Okay, just hold on.
Can you Sabana? Ngiyaphila umntwana ulondiwe mama ngilokhu ngifikile lapha phandle kanti bengine appointment bafuna uJ88 yengane ukuthi nayithela ngamanzi lapha i-chemical. Ngibizwe uXulu wathi ungibophile ufaka icala ngizosayina i-warning statement unjela izolo ngatshela uMangobese manje lokhu ngivalelwe lapha phandle kanti i-appointment ye-specialist bafuna uJ88 wengane. Lokhu ngikhamise phandle angihlanganisile lutho nento yabantu abalana eminyango mina ngizela ukuthi ngizongitshaya. Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Ungimise 2 hours la. Ungimise 2 hours ngenduku. Ungimise 2 hours la. Ungimise 2 hours. Nomfazi usithi ngane le chemical yakho yini? Uthe angibe 2 hours ago wena la. Wenzani? Wenzani?
Kathi wenzani ngempela? Yini lo?
Andeli lapho indile dodweni nonzayo. Uthe angeze 2 hours ago.
Uthi lo muntu akakwenza kanje.
Wenzani? Ayibona baba amazi into wenzani? Lalela wewe mfazi lalela. Uyafuna ukutshengisa ingane yami njani?
Ukazonjani wena?
Uyafuna ukutshengisa ingane yami njani?
Ukazonjani? Ukazonjani wenza?
Umisi isikhathi esikanani la?
Usukumeza umuntu wesifazane.
Umisi isikhathi esikanani la? Yazi ingane yami sesibhedlela.
Yapumeka ayingcolile. Oh, yes. Ifake i-record i-hearing izokhuluma ayibose ihambile sizohlangana ukuthi kwenziwa ama-statement within 3 days but akasekho la abazuthi njengamanje
mina nawe sowu2 noma labanye abantu
abafanga wena personal bafake i-MK
ubhala igama lami lo yani ungitshengisa idokhe esinegama lami ubonisile lapha ake nilungise nkosikazi ungitshela ukuthi lo mama ngilandela u-IO khona kodwa ungitshela ukuthi angingasuki la
akekho kade hambile yabo ngoba sesila
lo engithi uyena ongibizile izolo ade ngifonela
bekhona la
utheni kwena
u-IO by Thursdays communicate naye. So you will decide whether you want to statement. Was before we encountered the statements to explain what happened. No, he says we are going to NPA board decide whether. So they need to look at the footage of what happened on the day. If there's evidence, the NPA will decide that an end of the prosecution. So if there's no evidence, then they won't do anything. But you need to decide whether you make a statement. So, but we'll talk after whether you...
No, uKennedy yena uthi angihamba angime la lo uyena obanye lo mayeza lo wakhona.
No, it's fine. Could I go ahead
Ingane yami uIOY. Awuqedile ukungifisa ukuthi udokotela uthakuziwe nawe. And usebenza ngesikhathi.
okay ngicela wenze appointment yakusasa
Uyakhopha la engikhuluma khona ukhuluma e-private hospital. Musukhuluma ezithi ngihamba ngengcenye la ngiyakhona. Ngenze njani mawuthi alright?
ngiyabuya ngisangena ngaphakathi
Ngime for another 2 hours ngoba sekuphele 3 hours ngesikhathi ungene ngaso ngaphakathi.
angiphumi ngaphakathi
Usukela uyobiza ucolleague wakho wale case engikhambiselana mina. Basithela ngelento lela lesifuthi lesamanzi sifutha lapha balimaza ingane yami silapha eEddington le emhlophe nebali ngavula icase uma ngifika izolo lapha kuma detectives ufika u-IO ethi ufuna i-J88 yengane njengoba ilimele uma ngifika lapha nale ngane enayishanga i-stand grenade enyaweni na 6 years uma ngifika lapha u-IO lo okuyena osilethela uxolo athi uJacinta nginibophile noJacinta ngicela ukuthi nizosayina ama-warning statement ngimfonela uJacinta kuphona athi asifike kuyena lapha ya engifuna ukwazi lo Kennedy njengoba sesikhamisise la phezulu kwalokho ingane yami ihleli ikhamisile lapha esibhedlela ilimele iphuma le esijeni ifakile kule lento enifake khona afaka namaphoyisa because ilimele ikhuluma uthi udokotela ibingeke isakhonsiphi ubifike late engifisa ukwazi ukuthi yini leni yenzile phezulu kwalokho nizovulela thina icase sithi instigate violence liyangane kade lethu ukudla ingahlanganisela utho nalento ekuyona your police ufuna ukwazi ukuthi ngithini after that sengishilo sengiqedile deal with me later ubani wena ubani isibongo baba nethiyonda ungakuphi baba ungakuphi ubuyavenda wena ophethe la in communication. Okay, okay, ngichazela icase ukuthi umsuka wokuthi usibona sila. Ngithi I went to the police
When I
station.
first do my work here, then I'll come and attend you, we go to the station, and give you the property.
Okay, I'll appreciate that.
Thank you very much.
Ngizokulinda la.
Can I let you know, as you were saying, is it beyond reading? Yes, okay. Okay. Can I let you know just
I've been staying here for the past 2 hours.
Yes.
Ngicela ungivulele. Baba ngizoyenza i-interview, Baba. I've been here for the past 4 hours. I've been here for the past... Listen, let me tell you how did we get here. I was there for my daughter, and you told me that I'm being arrested, but today, no. Man, our office. Man, just said, awume baba, awume ngendaba ingane yami sesibhedlela because of this. Awume ngendaba. Impilo yengane yami la. Awume ngendaba, busumdyosa because ngifuna attend i-case yami. Wena ufikiswe indaba yokuthi bangibophile la. Uyezwa yini?
How do we assist?
Ngidinga indaba yengane yami. Mina ngikhamisisile la ukhene lwakho ngitshela ukuthi angikhamise la. Ngithe ngihambisa i-J88 bangitshela ukuthi ngiboshiwe la. Ngathi ngifuna ukuhamba ngesibhedlela wangitshela ukuthi angise la. Angithathiwe nithe ngizongithatha angidingi ukungena ngifuna lenza into eningibizele yona. Ningitshela ukuthi angikhamise lana. Ningitshela ukuthi angikhamise la. Ningibizeleni. uJacinta ufonelwe yimi ngathi nithi nina ningibophile noJacinta.
Who called you?
Bengise lalela
Listen.
lalela kaZulu Natal la uzobona ukuthi utolikele obani ngithi uJacinta bengikade ngihambisa icase yengane yami ukhenele wakho owakhipha instruction wathi kwakufuthwa amanzi yashiswa yile whatever lento enifakayo khona yashiswa yiyona umzimba wonke ishile nangaphansi ishile igayini ithi ingane ngeke isaconceive uthi mangivula icase la kwathiwa ngihambe ngokwenza i-J88 ngifonela umseshi wakho lo mfana lo mfishane odlula la uMaphumulo mangikuMaphumulo lapha ngama-detectives kufika uXulu lo othi wenza kahle wayiletha ngiyakufuna noJacinta ngiboshiwe uyezwa ngithi mina ngahlala ngalinda khona ngithe mangiqeda bese bephumile bona u3 wabo baphuma bangishiye ofisini base bezofika kumina ngo9 ekseni ngasuka ngatshela uJacinta sihambe siye khona uma ngifika lapha yama-detective kwathusela ukhenele wakho kade mfonela nangiwaranti we-POP uthi angiyime la ngithi appointment i-private hospital you 3:30 you 11 at the time ngiyamtshengisa nathi kwayena lo IO bekade khona ikhamsini njani ihleli lapha iyaqhubeka iyagula still iyayidla into ekuyiyona ungitshela ukuthi angikhamise la ngibele into ebheke angithathe ngina 4 hours kubile la uyangiba uthi ngihamba ngenduku uzongitshela ukuthi angikwazi ukungena ngibizwe yini imina ngitshela uJacinta ukuthi kuthiwa ngiboshiwe naye la ningibizeleni ngamtshela ngathi ngifuna ukuhamba ngesibhedlela ingane yami nenkinga wangitshela ukuthi angimela namba bebekhona
Let me address you in English. You will see.
angisazi isingisi ngwakaZulu nesibongo ngizalwele kaZulu angikuzi
Then you will see.
ngeke ungitshela ukuthi ulisix uthi uqashwe endaweni erong uzofunani lapha ngasazi izulu angikuzi thola whoever ozokutolikela ngikuzi uchief wanda ngikuzi
Can you read?
I can't read.
That's the problem.
That's the problem. Umsebenzi wakho wenza
I wanted to make you read.
lalela you are not here for the meeting ngithi ukuthi wenze lento ekufanele uyenze akithi kuthunyelwe yona ukuthi uzo-addressa lona ngithi ngawenze
I
lokho
will tell you this. Nobody called Jacinta to come here.
ngithi
Nobody-
mina it's because angiyizwa uyezwa
and
ngithi
who's-
mina umseshi waleli cala ufike kimi ngihleli phansi no-IO wecase yami against your kennel uyezwa uthi wenze kahle walizela cause ngiyakufuna noJacinta uyangizwa isesizwa leso sizulu
Yeah.
noma ufuna ozokutolikela oba mina ngikutolikele
So-
futhi usendaweni erong la kaZulu mama ngizwa
So the lawyer.
I'm saying to you iloya kaJacinta ifonelwe yimi uzuma noJacinta ngimtshela ukuthi kuthiwa siyafuneka
And the very same lawyer agreed with the IO that Jacinta, you and other person will come at a later date to take your warning statement, not today. Finish.
lalela awungizwa ukuthi ngithini yezwa yini awungizwa ukuthi
That
ngithini
is the harassment.
ngithi no sorry
Yeah,
baba
that's harassment.
that's not harassment that's not ngeke ungishiye ngikhuluma no misa wena kangilalela ngeke uze ungishiye kanje ukhuluma ngento yoku-address icase ngine case yengane yami mina elimele oqhubekayo isikhathi nesikhathi wena mina ngifuna ungisize manje I'm not talking about the court cases
Okay.
Remember, I told you
What do
I
you
was
want?
coming for a police station.
What do you want from us now?
Ngidinga usizo manje. Ningifonele nangitshela ukuthi angime angize ngize la mina.
Okay, we are here.
Even udokotela akwazi ukugcwalisa i-J88.
Here we are. How do I assist you now? Here, man.
Nithe angize la. Udokotela ufuna nize kwanini esibhedlela nengane for J88. Uthi ukhenelo wakho angime la. Angisizakele ngithi kuphele 4 hours. Wena ucabanga ukuthi aphathe mide. Yokhenela ubani lo mayeza okuyena ovulele case la.
Athi wena uze.
Ayisuka. Anifune nami umuntu onengqondo wazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngani. Hamba ngakini yosebenza ngakini sikhuluma isiZulu la. Utukile. Hawu. Vele ikhitha soyidila namakwarekore kwa wena uyesikorezela. Mawuqotha amakwarekore abantu abangaphandle. IsiZulu sithi umuthi kwere ngakuzwa uyangikwerezela. Hayi ukuthi sithi kwarekore ngoba ungaphandle. Uyikwarekore kwa wena isuka la. Animvulele. Animvulele la. Uphila lo khanelweni. Useless, ubathi ufunani la?
Just a briefing.
Ngivula icase lapha ingane yami ekade lethe ukudla bayithela lapha bajikijele ingane na 6 cent nge-hand grenade. Uma suka ingane ivuvukele le nebalela imhlobo. Ivuvukele ingahlanganisela utho nalento ebiyenzeke eDingtsini. Ivuvukele iyahamba ngiyabuya ngizovula icase udokotela utshela ukuthi ukuba ifike late bingeke isaconceive. Uma ngifika la ngivula icase bayivula icase u-IO uyangifonela izolo ngitshela ukuthi angilethe J88. Mangifika lapha kubona kufika lo IO wale case uthi sivule uthi ngenze kahle ngafika uyangifuna no Jacinto ngivulela icase yokuthi instigate violence mangiqeda IO wengane angibuye ngize kuyena uma ngiphuma ngesikhathi ngiphume ngasabasekho bathi ngifike ngo9 bazofika ngo9 kumina sisuke ngitshela uJacinto ngimfonela uthi kuthiwa siyafuna athi banayo inamba yami abakufonele ngani ngithi ngitshela lokho abangifonele noZuma bathi kulungile so hamba siye khona. Uma ngifika kuseni ngiqalele kuseni khona IO ngenzela ama witness statement ngisubmit yonke into engisubmitayo uqeda uyasuka la yena lo IO ungishiya lapho uzala kuthiwa ngize la mangifika uKennedy lo kuyena osibophile la athi uKennedy ngimela ngithi Kennedy ngine appointment ka past 11 nithenga ngilukisa J88 angize nana amaphoyisa kulungisa J88 because udokotela uthi ingane ayishiwe njengoba ina lento nayo akakwazi ukuphathisa J88 athi uKennedy ngithi ungasuki lapho shuthi mina mangisuka vele bazongibopha njengoba besibopha la siya besibopha into engekho shuthi ngimile la 4 hours bangena bayaphuma abantu kusilima mina
even those who are sent by the commander to come and address us, they can't even speak English. They can't even speak English.
Asasebenzi le station isho sisivale permanently vele ya useless nidla ama-drugs ngani imali yama-drugs nasibophela udokoti wonke la anivule la nihambe lonke futhi mani ngakithi nizokwenzani kwareshu ingane 16 years amatshitsha abheke emhlangeni la anaze nenze lutho odoti bestaff la awahamba unomphelo angaphinda abuye Yebo maphomolo.
Yebo.
Ngicela ngiphi number yakho ligwakho uCulu lana sengikhamisela selokhu ngisuke lapho ngikhamiselana ingane ne-appointment at 11:30 esibhedlela. So angikwazi ukungagcwalisa i-J88 I'm paying there. So ngizela ukuzolungisa lento ngicela ungiphi number yakho uthi uKennel umfonele angazi uzongimisa kube nini la. Besides I'm not in a condition yokuma. Uthi umfonelile uKennel uthi fanele ngabe ufikile lapho. Manje angazi ukuthi ngikhamisela into etheni because ungisukele ngathwala ikhanda ngimise yonke into ingane yami priority kulento. Uyilimazile ngalento yakhe. Yeah, ngicela ungiphe nami number yakhe. Beningibizalani?
Ake nisisheshisele lapho ngaphakathi. Ayi police station sebenza umuntu oyedwa, police station uthatha 100. Bani uthiyangene? Abantu abashole ukuthi abantu bazokudla bakusala bangakwenza bengafuna ukungena ngaphakathi. Cha umntwana ke lo bani uthiyangene. Nonsense. Ngobani?
Nishisa ingane yami ngechemical. Nichiya ninginike i-J88 nithi angesibhedlela fanele ngabe sasibhedlela. Nizongibiza lani? Ningibizeleni? Wequlu. Uthi uKennel wakho lo wathi asidutshulwe lana uthaza wena ukufonele phula la. Ngiqala into engeni email nasibopha la ningazi nisibophelani 7 months nimosha ama-state resources. Anivuli. Hawe maphumulo na usuvala ifoni. Asivulelwa ngaluphi lo? Hayisuka. Usavala ifoni nomaphumulo. Wamaphumulo wena ubuthi ufuna i-J88 yani usungene ngaphansi uthi wabiza uxola usayibamba ifoni.
Wayebo uqhamuka lethu ipolisa lemshakathi. Lawa abantu banazanethe kakhulu amapolisa. Amapolisa abheka icele ayesaba. Ayingahambi sinodaba phakathi.
Ngizochaza nalama kingpin lawe nondlala. Anondlala ngizochaza vulani. Hey mina. Mangobe sengicela umtshele lo msesha ngenze lento ingane bangenzela appointment ka 11:30. Ayibathe bafuna i-J88 ngicela attende ngisuke ngihambe. Angihlanganisele utho nezinye izinto ingane yami ilimele. Please.
Okay.
Nifuna ukuthi siyahlanya nibe nazi nenzani. Come to you. Remember when you said you called her? She called the IO. And when I called her, she said, I had already called her, the IO is coming there. And I'm saying my dilemma here is that I need to get to the hospital because my appointment is after. So because she didn't listen, that's why she's saying I must drop the J88 because the J88 is a separate case. But I need to be at the hospital because my appointment is for 11:30. But she insisted that I mustn't leave here. That is my issue with her.
But now she said we must go to the detective.
It's because she didn't hear. That's the reason why I'm here.
Now, then I rather go to the hospital and go do your appointment.
I cannot take the chances with this stupid police station here because they arrested me for a stupid case like this one last year. So if I live here, the next thing they'll come for me. So I don't want to take chances, especially because they instructed me to stop here, to wait for it. Ma'am, Utangina for the past 2 hours. For the past 2 hours, I'm telling you. For the past 2 hours, okay, IO work. I'm telling you, and inkinga yami njengoba ngifuna le J88 kufanele ngabe ngingena half past ilokhu ngimise sonke lesikhathi and ngithi ngimanga ngimtshela ukuthi I need to get to the hospital ngimtshela ukuthi angingasuki la angilindela lo u-IO wakho not u-IO uKenneth wakho sangimele into engingayazi lalela ma uNkulu was called by uKenneth ngeke ungashutheki wonke amakhamera bhengabuye either way awuhlangani nokuthi udlulisa imessage because ngimisa wena ke by the way wena uvule la for the past 2 hours njengokuthi uyabona bengimisa wena impendulo zakhona bamazi ise ungimise ngifika la abanjani abangenisile kube kuyime ngilethwe icala la wesisi shuthi nilwa nami kahle kahle kwenzakalani wesisi mina ngifuna ukuhamba ngicela ushuthe nosisi lo lalala wemfazi ngihamba ngenduku mina yezwayini ungimise 2 hours la wenzani ungimise 2 hours la ungimise 2 hours le case le bengihambisa ingane yami ungimise 2 hours la ungimise 2 hours nenduku ungimise 2 hours la ungimise le 2 hours lo mfazi ushisa ingane yami ngechemical yazwa yini uthe angine 2 hours ago wena la wenzani andiyani la point lo wena no time uthe angeze 2 hours ago wenzani ayibona bamazi into wenzani lalela wena lalela why now listen you didn't explain. Listen, they are using the state resources. I'm using my family money, and besides, you can see that I'm and I'm in crashes. So you can't leave that office when I was in that office saying that we must come here. When I'm here, he said he was coming here, and your Kenneth said he was coming here.
She told you he's coming here, but now he said he's office.
Can you put her on the phone, Warren? Can you put her on the phone? Because this woman is really abusing me. She's really abusing me. Maybe she's the one who's the beneficiary of what has been happening. One needs to deal with her, I'm telling you. Please call her. Uthangimela ngoba usafana ngifanele warning statement. Ngithi appointment past 11 ikenika instruction errong.
Uyazi la engayiphethe information ephelele.
Uye lo mfazi ongalaleli okuyena osiphophile.
Abezwa vele baqashwe unobhala. Ngicela amaphoyisa wafunda ngela unobhala.
No, she left.
Abanye bakhe
Just open for your calling. The IO is cool. Yes, the IO for my daughter's case against Kenneth and Mobile, the one, Mapumulo, the one that was here. He went to the other side, he said he was going to look for Kulu. Then the next thing is not picking up. So I'm here for Kulu. Kulu is the one who approached me yesterday when I called Jasmine. So the issue with me, can you listen properly now? The issue here, when you called the Kenneth called Kulu and he said he was coming here. So when I called Kenneth after seeing that it's passing time, she said, I must wait, and I'm telling her that my issue is that it's been 2 hours, and my issue is that my appointment is for 11:30, it's 17 minutes past 11. So if I live here, and I haven't signed this warning statement, we have the challenge just like the other year when we were arrested for the same stupid thing. Now, if she is saying that I must wait till it's coming, and I'm saying my issue is I don't have to so she said that I stay here. Okay, got the message. No. Mana, we're office. Mana, ndaphe. Awume baba, awume ngenda kukhanya ngisasibhedlela awume ngenda. Impilo yangane yami. Awume ngenda ukuthi ungidosa because ngifuna attend case yami. wena ufikiswe indaba yokuthi bangiphile la uyezwa yini ngidinga indaba yengane yami mina ningikhamisisile la ukhana lokho ngitshela ukuthi angikhamise la ngithe ngihambisa i-J88 bangitshela ukuthi ngibotshiwe la ngathi ngifuna ukuhamba ngesibhedlela wangitshela ukuthi angize la angithathiwe ngithe ngizongithatha ngifike ngikhamisile sona angidingi ukungena ngifuna lenza into eningibizele yona ningitshela ukuthi angikhamise lana ningitshela ukuthi angikhamise la ningibizele uJacinta ufonelwe yimi ngathi nithi nina ningibophile noJacinta bengise lalela kaZulu Natal la uzobona ukuthi uDonkelo bani ngithi uJacinta bengikade ngihambisa icase yengane yami ukheneli wakho owakhipha instruction wathi kwakufuthwa amanzi yashiswa ile whatever lento enifakayo khona yashiswa iyona umzimba wonke ishile nangaphansi ishile igayini ithi ingane ngeke isakhonsive uthi mangivula icase la kwathiwa ngihambe ngokwenza i-J88 ngifonela umseshi wakho lo mfana lo mfishane odlulala uMaphumulo mangikumaphumulo lapha kuma-detectives kufika uXulu lo othi wenza kahle wayiletha ngiyakufuna noJacinta ngiboshiwe uyezwa ngithi mina ngabahlingahlala ngalinda khona ngithe mangiqeda bese bephumile bona u3 wabo baphuma bangishiye ofisini base bethi bazofika kumina ngo9 ekseni ngasuka ngatshela uJacinta sihambe siye khona uma ngifika lapha yanga detective kwathusela ukheneli wakho kade mfonela nangiwarranti we-POP uthi angime la ngithi appointment i-private hospital you 3:30 you 11 at the time ngiyamtshengisa nathi kwayena lo IO bekade khona ikhamsili ihlala ihleli lapha iyaqhubeka iyagula still iyayidla into ekuyiyona ungitshela ukuthi angikhamise la ngimele into ebheke angithathiwe ngina 4 hours kubile la uyangibona ukuthi ngihamba ngenduku uyangibona ukuthi ngihamba ngenduku uzongitshela ukuthi angikwazi ukungena ngibizwe yini imile ngitshela uJacinta ukuthi kuthiwa ngibotshiwe naye la ningibizeleni ngamtshela ngathi ngifuna ukuhamba ngesibhedlela ingane yami nenkinga wangitshela ukuthi angime la namba bebekhona angisazi isingisi ngakaZulu nesibongo uzalwane kaZulu angikuzwa ngiyakungitshela ukuthi you6 uthi uqashwa endaweni erong uzofuna lapho ngasazi Zulu angikuzwa thola whoever ozokutolikela angikuzwa uchief uwanda angikuzwa
Can you read?
I can't read. That's the problem. Umsebenzi wakho wenza
I wanted to make you read.
lalela you are not here for the meeting ngidinga ukuthi wenze lento ekufanele uyenze angithi kuthunyelwa yona ukuthi uzo-addressa lona ngidinga wenze
I
lo
will tell you this. Nobody called Jacinta.
ngithi mina it's because awungizwa uyezwa ngithi mina umseshi waleli cala ufike kimi ngihleli phansi no-IO we-case yami against your kennel uyezwa uthi wenze kahle wayizela cause ngiyakufuna noJacinta uyangizwa isesizwa leso sizulu noma ufuna uzokutolikela oba mina ngikutolikele shuthi usendaweni erong nakaZulu mama ngizwa
So the lawyer.
I'm saying to you iloya kaJacinta ifonelwe yimi uzuma noJacinta ngimtshela ukuthi kuthiwa siyafuneka
And the very same lawyer agreed with the IO that Jacinta, you and other people will come at a later date to take your warning statement, not today.
lalela awungizwa ukuthi ngithini yezwa yini awungizwa ukuthi ngithini ngithi no sorry baba that's not harassment that's not ngeke ungishiye ngikhuluma no mise wena kangilalela ngeke uzungishiye kanje ukhuluma ngento yoku-address icase ngine case engane yami mina elimene okuqhubekayo isikhathi nesikhathi wena mina ngifuna ungisize manje I'm not talking about the court cases. Remember, I told you I was coming for a court station.
What do you want from us now?
Ngidinga usizo manje. Ngifonele ngangitshela ukuthi angiyele angizenzise la. Even udokotela akwazi ukubhalisa i-J88.
Here we are. How do I assist you now? Here, man.
Nithe angize la. Udokotela ufuna nize kwanini esibhedlela nengane for J88. Uthi ukheneli wakho angime la. Angisizakele ngithi kuphele 4 hours wena ucabanga ukuthi aphathemile yokhenela ubani nomayeza okuyena ovulele case la ayisuka anifune namuntu onengqondo wazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngani hamba ngakini yosebenza ngakini sikhuluma isiZulu utukile hawu vele ikhile soyidila namakorekore kwa wena uyasikwerezela bawuqala amakorekore abantu abakhala isiZulu sithi umuthi kwere ngingakuzwa uyangikwerezela hayi ukuthi sithi kwere ngoba ungakhala uyikwerekore ngone soka la